आपको थोड़ा बैठने दो, थोड़ा नीचे झुकने दो।
Hi Ritik, how close is this cause to your heart?
It has become very close to my heart. When Manish Gandhi called me up, I was in Cannes. When she spoke to me and she gave me all the information, I just thought that it was the right time. You know, all of us as busy people trying to fill up our lives with things that we feel are important for us, like careers and glamour and fame and money. Um, but there comes a moment in your lives when you realize that there is more to it. There's more to your life than just filling up your own self. And I think I might have reached that point in my life where I want to give back now. I feel responsible. I'm not doing this for the people who are HIV positive. I'm not doing this for people who have AIDS. I'm doing this for me. I'm doing this for you because we are a part of the human race, and this is not happening to others. This is happening to the human race. So that's why we are here. I'm lending my support to
Ritik, you got quite emotional on stage.
As far as concerned, because a lot of people wouldn't come up and wouldn't even try to go in for a test or just.
well, that is what we are trying to do here. We are, just to be able to give love and to embrace and to accept, and people will understand. Hopefully, that is our mission.
सर अपने कांस के एक्सपीरियंस को आप जरा शेयर कर सकते हैं टेकिंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी प्लीज
I will find out when the film comes out. Thank you very much.
अरे आपको ये पीछे लंबा, आप सब पीछे जाइए, सबको मिलेगा भाई, धक्का मत डालिए।
अरे बच्चे लोग Why can't you stand properly? अरे यार बच्चे लोग
Stand back, not the kids.
हाँ यार चलो don't force the kids. Why you all can't understand? एक मिनट बच्चे सब मास्क पहनो Wear your mask. Please all of you come from that side. Wear your mask.
I want to come and stand in the middle. I can stand in the middle.
Hey auntie.
Let me stand in the middle. Give me some space.
आप पीछे हटिए जरा प्लीज बच्चों के लिए हमें चाहिए आप लोगों के लिए नहीं
Nobody push.
कोई धक्का मत दो थैंक यू मैं आप लोगों को लाके
One shot.
मैं कांस में था when I got a call from Parmeshwar aunty and she told me that she gave me information about this project and I was very busy as I always am and in all our lives as people we think that we need to fill up our lives with the things we are doing, our career and that will one day get us into a place where we'll be finally happy. But somewhere along the line, you understand that in this journey, you reach a point where you realize that giving is going to fill you up more.
फ्रेंड भी साथ में आई हैं आपके लाइफ पार्टनर आपका इस अच्छे काम के लिए आपको हमेशा साथ देना।
Suzanne has been the most important impetus in this, because she said that this is something that she believes in and this is something that she wants to do, and she would want me to be a part of it, and that just egged me on. She sort of became the driving force in this, and I think I've reached a point in my life where I realized that it's time that we become more responsible. It's not just about my work, it's not just about me anymore, it's not just about my world that is surrounded by studio sets and my dialogues and my films and my successes and my failures. We are a part of the human race. I'm not doing this for people who are HIV positive. I'm not doing this for people with AIDS. I'm doing this for me. I'm doing this for you, because AIDS is not happening to other people, it's happening to us as a human race. And it's time that we all understand that we need to get responsible. You know, we need to grow up. I'm growing up, and I'm trying to do whatever I can to be a part of this world in its right way.
काफी जानकारी मूवी है ये काइट उसको लेके काफी कंट्रोवर्सीज हो रही है। इनफैक्ट काइट्स में जो फर्स्ट फिल्म दिखाया गया उसके लिए भी काफी क्या कहेंगे, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
उसके बारे में आप जितना कह रहे हो वो काफ़ी
फिर भी अगर कांस में आपकी काइट
Just turn around. Just give me one answer.
प्लीज कोई तो ले, कोई नहीं है।
We haven't all had a picture together.
Ritik,
Can we all just
Can
everyone?
Ritik.
You really want to take this picture and send it to us?
I will come with the first time.
For a magazine, we'll have a copy for a magazine.
बस 1 मिनट बूम थोड़ा सा
ऋतिक सिर्फ इतना जानना चाहेंगे कि कांस में काइट्स को लेकर उत्साह बना हुआ है।